In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use your EBT cash benefit on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you open up the Uber Eats app, and first, maybe you try to search for participating stores which accept EBT, you will notice that there is no filter to do so. You can only browse through all of the stores and there is no way to filter through stores that accept or don't accept EBT. Let's say you add items to your cart, and once you are ready to order, you go through the checkout process and you get to the payment methods. Instead of selecting Uber Cash or one of the cards that you might have registered, you can try to go into the Add a Payment Method window, and what you will notice is that although you can manage other payment methods like gift cards, credit cards, and others from here, there is no option to add an EBT Cash benefit card. You will only be able to select from the payment methods listed there. So, is there any way for us to go into our profile and attach the EBT cash benefit card that we have to Uber Eats so we can order food using the EBT cash benefit card? Sadly, as it stands today, Uber Eats does not accept EBT cards. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that although you can use a lot of payment methods inside of Uber Eats, they still don't accept EBT cash benefits, and there is no workaround to order food in Uber Eats by using an EBT card. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.